Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you use the Google Chat on Gmail. Alright, so you can open the Google Chrome and you can um, log into your Gmail. And to use the Google Chat on Gmail, you are just going to click the settings in the top right corner and select see all settings. And you can select the um, chat unmute, and for chat you can select Google Chat. Just save change. It's loading and reopen the Gmail. So you can see the chat icon, spaces, and meet. That's it. Just click on it. That's how you can use Google Chat on Gmail. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.